Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel AJ Vlogs. This is Ajay and today we are gonna be unboxing the brand new GoPro Hero 5. So without any further ado, let's get started. So inside the package I got the GoPro itself and the invoice. I must say that the packaging looks and feels so premium. Here's the logo of Hero 5 Black on the front side of the box and some features of the GoPro Hero 5 Black. On the other side of the box, all the features are explained in detail. You can pause the video anytime and have a look at it. On the back side of the box, we get information related to GoPro apps. So this is how the packaging looks like, and the packaging is very premium. So now let's open the box and see what we get inside. We get this kind of temporary mount. So in order to take the camera out of this mount, all you gotta do is press this mount lock buttons and push the camera gently outside the mount. The GoPro Hero 5 Black comes with this kind of casing. This casing can be used to mount the GoPro wherever you want. Now let's see what else we get inside the box. We get this USB Type-C cable in order to charge the camera as well as transfer the files, and 1220 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery. We also get the curved adhesive mount and the flat adhesive mount. We can also use the mount on the box in order to capture some amazing time-lapse videos as well as for many more things. In order to get the GoPro outside this casing, all we need to do is just pull this little lock on the casing and take the GoPro gently outside the casing. The GoPro Hero 5 does not require any kind of waterproof casing as it comes with an amazing waterproof body. Here is the power button of the GoPro, the battery section as well as the memory card section. I bought the SanDisk Ultra 64GB memory card for my GoPro. Now let's quickly insert the battery inside the GoPro and turn it on. The touchscreen display of the GoPro Hero 5 is very responsive and the quality of the display and overall GoPro is very nice. Alright guys, so that's it for today's unboxing video. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you have any queries related to this product, please comment down below and let me know. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until then, enjoy the time lapse which I've taken with my GoPro Hero 5.